To recover after a porn addiction.
Hey everybody, this is Pesa.
And I'm Whitney.
From LiveYourBestMarriage.
And today's question is, how do you recover after a porn addiction?
You know, a porn addiction is very, very heartbreaking thing. It's actually just like adultery. The pain and the anguish and the lack of trust that happens in a relationship after a porn addiction, we literally call it adultery. And the first thing that needs to happen is the person who has the addiction actually needs to come clean and admit that they have a problem and take responsibility without blaming, without saying, oh, it was your fault, oh, blah, blah, blah. It's like you take responsibility because there has to be a deep desire for reconciliation, both of you. Because recovering from porn actually takes a lot of time, takes a lot of prayer, but the most important thing, it takes a lot of accountability. And when I say accountability, I mean that you might need to put on some filters on your phone, on your computers, on whatever device that you are accessing the porn. And your wife or the husband needs to have access to these things.
Mm-hmm. Right. Another part of rebuilding your marriage is the two of you will need to spend more time together and, you know, just rebuilding your marriage. Go for dates together, text each other, just try to connect more.
Yes. And this is a really, really, really big problem, but some of the big points to take away from this video is that the recovery will take time. But you can also move forward if the two of you are willing to come together, work as a team, right? And work on your relationship and actually find ways to prevent the problem from happening in the future. And also find out why you are having the problems to begin with, which is a huge thing. Now, if you're sincere about wanting to make this work for you, don't even lose time. And if you are looking for more guidance, and to walk you through this whole process, we can actually help you rebuild trust. You can check out our training that addresses this issue and actually helps you rebuild trust as a couple at loyaltybreakthrough.com and loyaltybreakthrough.com, and we can actually help you with this process of rebuilding trust and coming back together as a couple. Hey guys, until next time, this is Pesa and Whitney. Bye and God bless.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.